Hey friends, did you know that you can actually save a Google Sheets document directly into Microsoft Excel format to share with somebody who has Microsoft Excel? It's a super easy process. We're going to do it right now. Okay, so as you can see, I am in Google Sheets. This is on my Google Drive, and I basically just made a super simple spreadsheet. But I want to share this with my colleague who has Microsoft Excel. So what we're going to do is we're actually going to come up here to the top left-hand corner. I'm just going to click on File, and then we can come down here to the Download options. And as you can see, there's all sorts of formats we can save this in. Now, the one we're obviously looking for is Microsoft Excel. So let me go ahead and click on this. And then this is going to bring up a box where I can now choose where it downloads onto my computer. Obviously, this looks like this because I'm using a Mac. So this looks like a good place to save it. I'll go ahead and click this. And then what I'll do is I'll actually bring up that box so that you can see that as it's downloading, it'll then transform into that XLSX format, and that is Microsoft Excel. If you open this up now and you have that software, it will open up in Microsoft Excel. You can email this, you can share it via thumb drive, whatever you need to do to get your colleague to be able to open it. That's it, friends. Super simple. Hope that helps. If it has, hit that thumbs up button for us and subscribe because we're making a ton more of these Google Sheets tutorials to make your life just a little bit easier. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again on the next one.